Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Common ina nga misconception nga kung bakunahan ka, hindi ka na magka-COVID, no? So, syempre, you have to look at it in a spectrum nga ginatawag, no? So, sa far ends ng spectrum, pinakagusto tagid no disease. Hindi ka magmasakit. Then there's the mild disease, moderate disease, severe, and death. The truth is, all these vaccines, ang purpose ng vaccine nga ni is to prevent severe disease and death. So, imagine a world where we're all vaccinated and when you get a COVID, you will just a mild flu, you have to quarantine, but we have eliminated the severe form of COVID and death. So, habal gani ni Dr. Fauci, no? He is the author of textbook of internal medicine, and as you know, he is an advisor to the US, no, efforts on vaccination. In the future, the world will look like that kung magka-COVID ka, magka-flu ka lang, but you will never die from it, no? Hopefully. So munang world na ginalantaw natin in the future, but we can achieve that if a sizable amount of population gets vaccinated. So ara pala kita sa effort kag sa aton sa Pilipinas very very low, no? Kinahanglan naton do this campaign to encourage more people to get the vaccines.